Okay. Hello, folks. How y'all doing out there? Fats here, and we're continuing with our magic theme. I believe Duke's got a real nice medley of songs for us. Ain't that right there, Dookie?
That's right, Fats. And we're going to sing a song by...
what you gonna sing, Duke? Go ahead, spit it out.
I'm going to sing a medley of songs, and one of them is called Abracadabra by Steve Miller, and the other one is You Can Do Magic by America.
Oh, I bet that's going to turn out fine.
How come you're going to sing both those songs? That is not fair.
Well, the magic show was my idea.
So what? Who cares?
Well, the boss said I could. Now, do I need any more reason than that?
Welcome to the cutthroat world of fast food entertainment.
Spinning around and round, round and round and round we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Every time you call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Kiss me, baby, and let the fire get higher. Things that I couldn't see. I said if I can't feel it, then how can it be? No magic could happen to me. And then I saw you, I couldn't believe it. You took my heart, I couldn't retrieve it. Said to myself, what's it all about? Now I know there can be no doubt. You can do magic. You can have anything that you desire. Magic. And you know you're the one who can put out the fire. You make me hot, you make me sigh. You make me laugh, you make me cry. Keep me burning for your love with the touch of a velvet glove. Abracadabra, I wanna reach out and grab you. Abracadabra, abracadabra. You know darn well when you cast your spell, you'll get your way. When you hypnotize with your eyes, a heart of stone can turn to clay. I feel the magic in your caress. I feel magic when I touch your dress. Silk and satin and leather and lace. A black dress with an angel's face. I can see magic in your eyes. I hear the magic in your sighs. Just when I think I'm gonna get away, I hear those words that you always say. Abracadabra, I wanna reach out and grab you. Abracadabra, abracadabra. And when the rain is beating upon the window pane, and when the night it gets so cold, and when I can't sleep, again you come to me. I hold you tight, the rain disappears. Who would believe it? With the word you dry my tears. You can do magic. You can have anything that you desire. Magic, and you know you're the one who can put out the fire. Every time you call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Kiss me, baby, and let the fire get higher. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know darn well when you cast your spell, you'll get your way. When you hypnotize with your eyes, a heart of stone can turn to clay. And if I wanted to, I could never be free. I never believed it was true, but now it's so clear to me. You can do magic. You can have anything that you desire. Magic, and you know you're the one who can put out the fire. Do-do-do-do-bit, 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 do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-bit, do-do-do-do-bit. You're the one who can put out the fire. I heat up, I can't cool down. Do-do-do-do-bit, do-do-do-do-bit. I heat up, I can't cool down. You're the one who can put out the fire. I heat up, I can't cool down. Do-do-do-do-bit, do-do-do-do-bit. I heat up, I heat up, I heat up. It's hot in here. I'm so sorry.